How to join Etsy affiliate program, full step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you are going to be able to help yourself create an amazing affiliation market network on Etsy by joining the Etsy affiliate marketing program, okay? And it's going to be really easy, it's going to be really fun, and it's going to be really simple. So first of all, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to sign in with an account for the affiliate program, okay? And I'm going to tell you how the whole affiliate program works. It's really simple to get your head around it. So to actually start things off, what you are going to be doing is, let's say we're going to come here and scroll down. And down here in sell, it says sell on Etsy, teams, forums, affiliates, and creators. We're going to go on affiliates and creators over here, right? So here it says Etsy affiliates and creators sign up for the program that fits, earn a commission for every one of a kind piece you discover and share when you sign up to become an Etsy affiliate or creator co-member. Now, basically, first of all, here is their affiliate program, media, editorial publications, bloggers, then there's Creator Co. Social media content creators, this program is for you. So obviously we're going to go with the affiliate program because that makes more sense for us. So I'm going to click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, it brings us to Awin, which is basically Etsy's affiliation. So Etsy RW affiliate program. Welcome to Etsy's, rest of the world affiliate program. You can join it. Who we are, Etsy is the global marketplace for creative goods. Program eligibility is that all affiliates are welcome to apply. Affiliates should apply for the program from where they're located from. So these are, rest of the world is not specific to, any regardless country. And the commissions that will be rewarded are regardless of where the sale is made. Okay. So you can live in, let's say, Singapore, and you can make a sale in Australia and you're going to get the commission. There's no problem in that. So Etsy sellers are welcome to join the affiliate program. Obviously, offers sellers a wonderful opportunity to earn commission from showcasing their own shop as well as the other Etsy shops. So, to be eligible, you must declare the names of any Etsy shops you own to Etsy's affiliate team via the Etsy affiliate survey that you're going to need to fulfill. And here's a link of the survey that we're going to fulfill right now. And the commission structure rate is the standard publisher rate is 4%, and you get a 30-day cookie period with 7-day cookie in app, and the commissions are not paid out on gift card purchases and when money order and other payment options are used. So 4% commission is basically, you could say, for a sale you make for $100, you're gonna get, you could say, around $40 off of it, which is a pretty good sale, to be honest. If you get a $10 sale, you're gonna get, 40. Yeah, never mind. That was very wrong of me. On $100 sale, you're gonna get $4 basically, and on a, you could say, $10 sale, you're gonna get around, I guess, 1 point something dollars, 0 point something dollars, somewhere around that. So that's the commission structure. And if you like the whole commission structure and if you like the whole affiliation thing, yeah, you're just gonna go over to the program terms, and you're obviously gonna make sure to sign up with their affiliation form, and you're gonna come here. So they'll give you a questionnaire. So what is your A1 publisher ID? To do this, go to your account profile and overview where you can find your publisher ID in your name. So once you've chosen that ID, the value must be a number. Okay. So let's say, that's my ID. Please confirm the Etsy program region that you have been accepted to. Okay. So you're going to go to the program region. Obviously, I come in the rest of the world, so I'm going to go with that. Please share the best email address for the Etsy team to share seasonal updates and opportunities. This one kind of is compulsory. No one really likes this, but you kind of have to put that in. So what is your primary promotional method? Now, this is the big question. Where and how are we actually going to promote things for Etsy? That is the main question that everyone really asks. So you're gonna go ahead and add, either TikTok creator, Instagram creator, YouTube creator, blog, editorial content. Most people, sell on TikTok or Instagram. So I'm gonna go with Instagram. Okay, and please enter the primary URL you plan to promote Etsy affiliate links on. So, you know, you can add the URL for your, you could say, whatever channel you're doing it on. So, for example, I have a link for my YouTube channel that I'm just going to upload over here. Are you an Etsy seller? You can go with yes or no, depending on whatever you are. I'm going to go with yes. If you answered yes to the above, what is your URL of the Etsy shop? So, you're obviously going to need to add the URL. Please select all Etsy tentpole focuses that are applicable to align with your content. So, you know, go with the content that you're going to be, you know, selling. So I'm going to go with toys and entertainment, jewelry and accessory, home and living, clothing and shoes, and yeah, pretty much. So then if selected, would you be interested in being featured as an Etsy affiliate of the quarter for your region? This is article highlights, etc. You can go yes with that because that's just good publicity. And once you've done that, you know, you get the insight. Now, once you have, you know, filled that in, you're going to click on sign up and join the program. Okay. And this basically takes up into your AWIN signing up program process. And obviously, you can fill the form again later after doing this. That depends on you, okay? So join AWIN today and start earning money. And you can also sign up as an Instagram influencer. I'm just going to go ahead join with AWIN. And here it asks us our things. So first of all, company name, and then you're going to choose your tax residency. Then you have, you know, your emails, password, and all these things. So just go ahead and add the necessary things. Wait, let me just add the things again. Then I'm going to add my email. Oh, wait. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my email. Okay. Then you're just going to confirm your email. And once we have confirmed our email, oh, wait, let me just go ahead and add the necessary details. And once you've confirmed your email, from there on out, you're going to be signed up with the whole affiliation program. And trust me, affiliates on Etsy do make a lot of money, although it's a 4% commission, but that 4% commission does make you a lot of money. And you can take that from me because Etsy is a marketplace that has quite a lot of creative goods, and a lot of people do like buying from Etsy, and that's a fact. So yeah, the affiliation on Etsy is going to get you great money, and once you've signed up with this whole thing, you're going to be set and good to go. So then you're going to actually put in the, you know, promotion region that you're going to have. I'm going to go with US. Promotional type, obviously, you have different types of content. Let's say I'm going to go with content creators and influencers. And there's display type, you know, there's different displays, what you're going to display as. I'm going to go with ad networks, okay? And I'm going to set as primary promotional type. I'm going to click on next step. And it's going to bring us here, the promotional space. You know, again, you can just go ahead and add your YouTube channel or any other link that you have. You can also add the description. And yeah, this link needs to be publicly accessible. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that. Yeah, there we go. So just, yeah, there we go. And then there's description. You can add the description of whatever this page constitutes, how it helps you, etc. And then you're going to choose the sector. So I'm going to go with credit cards. Then we have retail shopping. I'm going to go with clothing in this case. Telecom, I'm going to go with web hosting, and web travel, we're going to go with local holidays and click on next step. Just go ahead and write some description on your description field, and yeah, you're going to be pretty much set to go. And then you're just going to verify yourself, and that is how you're going to set yourself up with Etsy's affiliate marketing. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.